most people are setting up their conversion, their pixel in the wrong way, and it is costing them a lot of money. And one of the most question that I got a lot of is, how do I set up my meta pixel in 2026? My name is Kazim, and I'm a paid media specialist living in UK. For the past 6 years, I've been running campaign on Meta, Google, and TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the pixel, Meta pixel, the right way. But before I go into that, what exactly is Meta pixel? Meta pixel is a tiny piece of code that you put on your website that help you to track people that come to your website, and it allow you to get data from them to know what they are doing on your website and how long they are spending on your website. A lot of people actually set up their campaign without having pixels set up. It's like going into a dark room without having a torchlight, or you are trying to shoot a bird and shoot at the sky and hope that a bird will fly on it. So I'm going to explain to you how to do that. So if you come to your dashboard here, of course, I know you already know how to do that. Let me go back a little bit. So if you are in your campaign dashboard here, I want to go back one step. So in the campaign dashboard there, you come to this event manager here. Now you are in the event manager now. So if the account is relatively new, you are going to see empty data set here. So this place is going to be empty. You will not see anything here. But because I have already created the pixel from it. Can you see? It's a pixel, this is a pixel, and another pixel. So let's say the account is relatively new. Click on the first step is click on this plot sign here, and it said connect a new data source. So now, like I said, that this pixel is like a piece of code that you put on your website to track what people are doing on your website. So it might not be actually website, depending on whatever you want to track. So it share data on how customer interact with your business, and can help you to optimize for better performance. So you can connect your website. Let's say you have a website. You can connect your application. Let's say you have an app on your Play Store or Apple Store, or offline. So now you can also connect activities that cost offline, including phone call or store purchase. Let's say you have a physical store and you want people to come to your store to see how you are doing business offline. So you can track those items as well. Or CRM. Now, if you run a lead generation campaign and you have a CRM like Zoho and all other CRM, so you can easily connect the CRM to your Meta and you can track them. Or messaging, you can connect it to your messaging as well. So, but the most common one is actually website, because you want to track what they are doing on your website. So you click on next. So the next thing is asking for the data set. So now it's because I have already created this one, that's why it's showing there. So now let's say I want to create a new one. I can say testing. So then about the category, so you can pick this category if it applies to your business. Let's say you are running anything: economical vulnerability, financial service, personal hardship, any other thing here. But if your campaign or your website does not talk about any other thing here, you can just skip this part. Or if it's health and wellness condition, you can just skip it. But if it's not, just click on create. So it's going to create it now. So it's still loading. Now it has created it, but based on your business detail, we recommend the following setup. So now, conversion API. So before now, you used to have only Meta pixel alone, but with the introduction of the iOS 14, which exclude people that uses Apple iPhone and Apple products from being able to track them, Facebook now responded, or Meta now responded by introducing what we call this CAPI, Conversion API. This allows you to track this iOS user in regard of wherever they are. So it uses what we call server-side tracking to track these people that use iOS. Before now, if you use ordinary Meta Pixel, if your account is recording like 100 pixel in a day and 40 of them are from iOS user, there's probability that it is not recording the right way. So they can exclude them. But this introduction of this conversion API is going to connect Meta Pixel and conversion API. Is going to give you seamless tracking, and it also improve your performance. And also, most of the time, most people that use this thing talk that it reduce their cost per result, because the more data you have, the more your campaign is going to learn from it, and the more results you are going to get. So we can set this thing up by picking this Google Tag Manager, or set up with Meta, or set up with partner integration like Shopify, Wix, WordPress and co, or do it manually, give it to your developer to do it for you. So but because this particular video is not about CAPI, is about Meta Pixel, so in another video I'm going to explain to you how you can set up the conversion API on your website. So I'll just close this for now, and if you come back to this data set, you are going to see our data set now, the one we just created. So I have to refresh it before it shows. So look at it here. This is the new pixel that we have just created. So I want to now put it on my website. That is for step one. Step two is I need to now link this to my website. So I'll just copy this number. There are different ways you can do it. There are different ways you can do this. Now I'm going to go to a website and test run it. So this website is built with WordPress. So I'm going to use this as a case study. So it depends on how your website is being built. If it's not a WordPress based website, you can give it to your developer and they will definitely add it for you. But because this was built with WordPress, so it's easier for me to do that. So I'm going to go into the backend. Let me use this browser. So I'm just going to log into the backend. So I've logged into the backend now. So now I'm in the back end. So I'm going to scroll down to this place and you have plugin. I click on plugin. So I'm just going to search for, click on add plugin. I click on, so you can use this thing called PixelCart and search for it. So say install PixelCart and activate it. So I'm going to dismiss it here. So I'll come to this PixelCart. No, don't forget you have already copied the pixel. So now this is what I was talking about. Type of pixel. Is it conversion API or pixel alone? Analytics. So I'm going to pick pixel because we are not doing the conversion API one. So I'm just going to paste it there and click on save it. Now, once you save it, you have done the first part. The first part now is that you have linked the Meta to your Facebook. So if you want to check out whether your whether the code is there. So you come to this place and search for Meta Pixel Helper Chrome extension. So the Chrome extension is used to check on the website if it has been installed properly. If it has been installed properly or not, you are going to know now. So I'm going to add the extension. Still loading. I don't know why it's taking. So I want to check if it has been installed. Can't see it here. Okay, I think that this is it here. So I'll go to the website and click on view sites. Then I'll refresh it. So let me bring it out. This is it. So I need to pin it. So I click on it. It's still loading. Sometimes I need to refresh it like 2 times. It's still loading. Don't know why it's taking whatever. It's supposed to show you. Oh, did you save it? Let me go back. If we saved it, it's supposed to, okay, so let me add pixel. So you can add events. So now it depends on your website what you are actually doing. So you can pick things like page view. People that view your page, you can track them as view events. You can also track people that check some particular page. Let's say a thank you page, for example, the exact URL. If somebody visits a thank you page after you have successfully done something on your page, so you can do it as a lead. What has done a lead for you, say checkout, donate, it depending on the event you are trying to track for your website. So for my own, lead is actually good, meaning that after somebody has filled a form on the website, they should go to the thank you page called lead. So I'm tracking view content and lead for this page. So in your own case, it might be different. It might be something else like submission of form and the like. So it's saved now. So let us go back and check it. This video is getting longer. I don't know why. Let me look for another model. But this one's supposed to. This one is Google Tag Assistant. Let's see if you can pick up this. This one is for Google, but most time it's also pick up the one from Meta. So let me check. I don't know why this one is. Or let me open it in a new browser because I want to make sure that it is actually tracking. Because if you don't confirm and you just go ahead and set up your campaign, you might actually be flying blind. What's this one? You might actually be flying blind, but you need to confirm. I don't know why it's taking time to load. So you need to confirm. So that's what we are doing now, to check if it's actually working. It could be the signal too. So I'm going to pause this video now. Oh, no, it's not paused.